Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your English language instructor मोहम्मद हसनैन, once again with all of you people. आज एक नई वीडियो के साथ आप सबकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ. जिस तरह आप सबको पता है, with the rise of the new era and the Gen Zs and the Gen Alphas, there's so much going on online, and there's so much going on in the world. As the generations follow, and as the loneliness and as the increasing amount of people online have skyrocketed throughout the years, I believe that there's not much time left until social interactions. So today we are going to be talking about the impact of social media and internet. How does it inflict your current life? How does it inflict your personal life? And what will it inflict in your life in the future? So without further ado, let's get into it. First of all, let me give you people a disclaimer. Today I'm going to be talking about things that I believe. None of these are facts, none of these are actual figures. So whatever I'm saying is my opinion and strictly towards my perception. So if you do not disagree, it's perfectly alright, because every person has their own opinion, every person has their own understanding. That was the disclaimer. Let's get into it. First of all, let us know where the internet concept of talking and stuff began. It was around about the late 2000s, when places such as Facebook and so much more, they came together and new websites were created where people could chat with each other, some anonymous, some not so anonymous. And then with the 2016 and 2018, there was a skyrocketing rise of more social media accounts and more social media influencing softwares. There were such softwares like WhatsApp now in business, and there were so many more different softwares that were working. Some of the most revolutionary things also happened in that era. As of speaking 2022, or 2020 actually, the pandemic came in and things got devastatingly changed. Now what my perception was that most people, because they were not able to get any friends, or they were not able to talk to anybody because of the pandemic, there were people I've seen that said that, well, at least even though I have corona, at least like I got a good internet Wi-Fi connection in my home. They literally spend their time via Wi-Fi. So what has it come to? Is this what you call entertainment or isolation, loneliness, or being able to be with someone? There was a writing I had written that when you're waking up in the morning and there's nobody to greet you, and you wake up in the morning and go downstairs for breakfast and there's nobody to tell you that eat good food and not bad food or not junk food, when there's nobody in your life to prohibit you from doing whatever you want, do you call that freedom or do you call that loneliness? That's the question of today. So same case goes for that. Isolation has peaked, depression has peaked, and lots of people are getting into two things. Either you are going to be a great supporter, either you are going to be a really jealous hater, or either you are going to be a person that is in despair because they don't get what others get. And they don't have that status, they don't have that everything that other people on the internet have. Let me tell you something interesting. Lots of people, when researched about social media, they say that we spend hours without even knowing it. You just spend your time without even knowing it, and you know what they have? They feel inferior, they feel depressed, they feel bad, and they feel anxious because of how they are. And 95% of them say it's because of watching others and how good their lifetime is and how good their life is going. And these 95 of the people were stupid enough to fall for the trap of the internet. Remember, the internet will never show you its true face. Never. People on the internet, social media, Instagram, TikTok, etc., they will only show you their most beautiful, most amazing, and most perfect parts of their life. They won't show you the bad things, they won't show you the despair or the misery they have themselves suffered, or they won't show you the other different things that they have been suffering from themselves. They won't show you that. They'll show you the happiest, the most amazing moments in their life. And that's completely fine by my side. But if you are falling for such people's trap, which is not a trap, like it's not intended, because they want to share their good parts of life so that they can laugh on it in the future, or maybe they can remember those moments in the future together with their family. But the point is that if you people are falling for such things and then saying that my life is not perfect, so is theirs. It isn't perfect for either of you. because both are humans, both have some amount of or some degree of pain or pain or suffering in their life.